Welcome back to Primetime News, and again, a very special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. We begin this evening with news from Portland, where 14 Haitians arrived in the island by boat. The police have since increased their presence in the Mansionil area after some of the Haitians managed to make their way into a neighboring community. The latest development has led to renewed concerns from residents about the frequency at which the Haitians are coming into the area. Details in this report. A group of Haitians in the back of a police van in the Kensington community in Mansionil, Portland, Saturday afternoon. These people were among a group of 14 who arrived in the island by boat Saturday morning. Already, residents are commending the police for their swift response.
Them good, man. Before you look around, them cover the place. Yeah.
When the police arrived in the area where the boat was seen, they only saw 9 Haitians, 5 men, 1 woman, and 3 children. But they received information that others were spotted in the neighboring community. A resident told us what he saw.
So when we see it now, I said to it, boy, it's not look good, because how them a cut cross, them a come to land. So him said to me, say, boy, make we watch first, guy, fisherman, them out there fishing. So we watch it. So my phone my brother and say, look here, boy, I look right them are Asian, you know. I mean, I could have bought there, see them coming across. So them say, boy, him say, phone it, the police, them. By the time I look, me see the Coast Guard come up.
TVJ News understands that the Haitians will now be medically screened at a health facility in the parish. The police are also carrying out patrols in the area. However, some residents are concerned.
Me, I say it's not a nice thing, because security is hard. Enough time you come in and you want to have a sleep or something like that, you can't do them things, you know.
You have to be on the guard.
Yes, definitely.
Haiti has been battling a series of challenges such as poverty, natural disasters, political crisis, and insecurity over the past 2 decades. Things escalated after the July 2021 assassination of President Jovenel Moise, throwing the country into anarchy, with gangsters wreaking havoc in the capital Port-au-Prince and several other areas. Tragedy.